Learning a programming language, and particularly learning your first programming language, is intimately tied with learning how a computer works. Understanding how a computer works involves understanding how numbers, characters, and aggregate data may be encoded and stored in the memory of the computer, and how the data stored in memory can be operated upon by the Central Processing Unit (CPU), executing millions of very simple instructions. Programming languages such as Java, C, or C++ are known as high-level languages. They allow specification of program instructions in a manner closer to natural languages, but without the ambiguity and lack of precision. Computers, on the other hand, are only capable of executing exceedingly primitive instructions in a low-level language known as the computer's machine language. We bridge the gap by translating a high-level language into a low-level language through a program known as a compiler. There are two popular approaches to writing computer programs: procedural programming and object-oriented programming. A procedural program defines the variable memory locations and then calls or invokes a series of procedures to input, manipulate, and output the values stored in those locations. Object-oriented programming is an extension of procedural programming in which you take a slightly different approach to writing computer programs. Thinking in an object-oriented manner involves envisioning program components as objects that are similar to concrete objects in the real world. Then you manipulate the objects to achieve a desired result.